تقبل منا انك انت السميع العليم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Hey, Allah God, we don't come here for money, can't compete with Carlton. These streets now they blow foot, now proud with now come from up Wilkinson. Delegate today now drive car right down to here. We in a year, we give you mosques, we give you church, we give you school them, then we give you farm them. Allah, would they ask you, Subhanahu wa ta'ala, about good people them, may they help me.
Of course, me na Jomar, me na the vice chairman for the Carlton Progressive Youth Organization, where they in perfect collaboration with the Masjid Razul Azan, where the Carlton Carew of Wilkinson Road, Thompson Bay. We make a perfect collaboration for make a turning sort of today for the road construction. Eventually, we are happy because we're able to get the community heads and for can join with today for do this road project. We are in the chief imam of the Masjid Razul Azan, the assistants be there with me for do the turning of the sword. Of course, the chief when a Pafofana where they in charge of Carlton, current executive where they run a Carlton Carew, when are the elders council of course will be able to forget Pature where they with me today. They will have come to the turning of the sword. Of course, they will go with chairman when he said been there with them alongside for do the turning of the sword when selling. Of course, today eventually this project will be initially be started on we own, but we take and say we not go able if we not get the mosque elders for partner with me.
What could be the church as well?
Yeah,
right?
And the church as well. Yeah, so then two institutions that when highly recognized and highly respected in our society can therefore come together for join with the Carlton Progressive Youth Organization for ensure says this road project able for start today when the 16th November 2024 inside Carlton Carew Lane.
Okay, now so who's going to send to other big people now we get host and so property and so but then they can support now.
Of course, everybody knows whether they say Wilkinson Road and in feeder roads them now people them where eventually where they get hosted would expect says where they kind of a thing that will come now society or the community would expect for let them go able for do for more. When we start, of course, this is a community project, but we will not ever allow for make it just be on a monopoly reason. We try for open and wide to everybody, and so therefore we get constraints over finance. But the little resource thus far where we don't able for gather. You say, well, no buy material, so we're able to actualize this road. We work once today, let people then see. So this small something what we just don't gather now, we don't use for buy stone, sand, cement. Of course, we appreciate one more. Elders them more than then at the community, we give you 100 bags. We know plenty of people they give you 10, 5. So now so no more ED, but we still need more. Because this one we don't get, so we don't get for take with far. This is now about almost a kilometer road. Of course, they're in two phases. We not even reach step the first phase it, and we want to do the two phases. Then the third phase is longer for Lidwin and the main Wilkinson Road. Because this road now come off from Wilkinson Road, where can the community people then they frequently they use. Of course, we get a phone number where somebody will able to reach out to. We know say plenty Carltonians, them residents, they then are already out of the country, they know they are so, and so therefore. If you dey out there, you dey watch this video as the work day in progress. Today, on the 16th November 2024, inside Carlton Carew, there we need una support and we want for make una self go come together for add more to what we do so because we will make this community a sure say now for we all benefit. Every resident now so na own benefits because when they look at the type of post they wouldn't team up now so if now one person say for me just in a chest be able for do am but it come to with surprising say we get for involve the entire community and even when we target the community we not able for get anything where even they even take we from one small space to another.
Some other 5 million stallions.
we get for go outside for seek out funds because the main Wilkinson Road and other people the way we don't access who they try for seek aid from them we able for.
Okay, so the phone number.
Somebody can contact 078-386-446. Of course, I'm not able to remember the other number there again, but I can use the line because this work, I'm not the champion. You know, I did behind me chairman. Of course, my chairman can tell me, say, Lord, we do this, anything na me get for the do the breakdown, na me get for the do every other thing wey entails this entire.
Okay, so what do you mean as well for the young man them, and no man them, I see the chief man, old man the old white shovel. So what do you mean for the everybody can for work?
Of course, this don't show says the community there is love and people that will get the heart for making them do this road, but at the initiative not been there. That I can tell everybody that's for free, and so many people that don't try for come up for do the same thing when we don't do so. But we will get the initiative based on how for start them. And God don't mark say today we own at the Carlton Progressive Youth Organization. Now we don't come do the final initiation where we use the Masjid Razul Azam as a perfect collaboration for ensure this work also able for good. Because for now we don't able for move some steps with the road. So we really appreciate people them, the youth them who come for country, the young contribution for ensure this work is also able for.
Because of course, no accountability or transparency. And someone know. Yeah. Someone go just one city when I start today. Why so accountable are they use the money? Without know me, you know me, I'm a disciplined man. I use a data system, of which I don't talk severally, even in my audios. Everything what you do, everything what you receive, I put it into data. Everything what you get for use, they put them into data. And this will not just keep an number until we get for publish. I don't tell them because I get a space where they give me, when at the wall, at the same wall, where I get for make sure say a photocopy each and every individual. We don't give a single cent of this road. We they put in name. Then you know the only tap I don't say, and they print out each copy they give each host. So you go watch the family name, family
amount, the total amount where you don't put. Per this road here, so and the total where they inside it. So what you self don't see, you don't know if you don't do better thing for this road here, so you make one or you not do better thing. But me don't assure people then say me and me get for defend everything we get for come. Every question I ready for defend because I know everything. I know I must get and I know I must be receive.
Father, you even call journalists themselves for Canada today, even though why someone want to call journalists, you know, let the press come really plenty journalists. That's really good. Anyway.
Yes, automatically I know says outside journalists then they look for the facts and the reality. And I know say now that then train them for. So now I make us say well make us secure one of the highly professional journalists where they give out even where you so they see the because I want party the news and the way people then keep always they yarn for go sit down
local program,
because now the reality then they already produce to the people then they make for let people then see the reality of what they happen at the ground. And so therefore where the invite you tell when I want for the seasoned journalists and SLBC. Now this country has where they cover many of the events where they take place we self-guarded because this don't draw transparency. Because through this interview, no says people then go able for watch me, and when they watch me, then go able for tell the reality and the fake. Because people not go ever believe says things like this they happen now so today. But we tell God thank you that what thing we don't they talk for the through the fight, what thing we don't they battle for today we don't put them to reality. We know say this don't send a big message, not to just this community but other communities.
You are sworn for say even Mount Court, all the guys and so far, why the organization team up? Because if you say wait for government, it's not possible. Why so waiting mean as well, why for let other community then necessarily take up on the center for the guys here?
Of course, I want for inspire other communities. You see, world and development in society. Now we know wait for government for say past government and they can't do one for you. If we self get the resources, of course, we can follow up like them, Kenya, Nigeria, then Ghana. One person can just volunteer and almost say this driver they do. They ask nobody. We not say Salonia people that they back we get the same capacity, we get the same ability and the resource. No way to say government okay. If one can see who say a team up. Now former honorable minister Petito the time when he been there as Minister of Works. Now he do this road, but by the time he come on a power, since when this road stop, nobody not come again, and that was a government project. We not ever get somebody who go volunteer and tell we say, now myself who said this man don't stop with this road, let myself can continue until we don't come so. We say well, let we self come together and do them. If we for be say we wait for government or this government
through from the past government to this government for let them count for me. This road not for me make.
Yeah.
If I still become difficult for the people the residents they wouldn't then at the community for access, then they host them and even the mosques outside they come.
And the road bad accidents, picking the get accidents, the woman them.
And this road it lead to the main Wilkinson road. You know, it be not so bad off that much because they're not able for pass. Even people that they find it very difficult for even use the road. Even the picking them, they know they get way for pass now, so pass and get for go use another route for access then schools them.
Okay.
So now it make law we not just sit down and say now government they can do for we. If we get 1 or 2 people them, we get the resource, the capacity for develop the society, not to just even road, even for bring water. Let people them get that gladness in the heart for give that support in any society we said and day. So I want to say we tell we self-thinking at this community because we don't able to come together for help government. Initially it's supposed to be government in but we not see it happening. But because we get so yet people them in society will bring up the initiative today we don't make them a reality. At least we the boast as a community.
No, so therefore me have to say every government at the media. Well, so government say go shame.
Yeah, government say go shame because the third phase we want to take them up to YSC. You know, we want to tell other community them for genuine in this wherever una self una day una can mobilize as young people them una just say una mix with the elders them because the elders them they direct we for show we exactly what for do who side for go and what we for arrange. So we're so glad because when we go with the initiative today we're able to make something become a reality where people everybody they see now where we had them so cold that me like I are overjoyed.
Yeah.
I get so much joy because when we start, everybody know how community business can do. Una go able, una get that resource, but through God in your faith, we get. We say yes, this will work.
And today now the big one.
We don't do the Sunday of the Sun.
Okay, but thank you.
برحمتك يا ارحم الراحمين لا سيما في عمل هذا الشارع اللهم ارزقنا رزقا واسعا كثيرا باركا ومساعدات من كل جانب حتى نخلص هذا الطريق كل هذه الشوارع كلها الى ويلكنس رود يا مجيب الدعوات يا رب العالمين. Let God give you help يا رب. Let God make